No. You said? No. Maybe 60, 65. Wow. Do you believe that?
What?
75 doesn't look 75.
Not at all.
Wow. Very good. Very good.
Like David, looks like 20.
No, wait. Mom. Mom. Look at your daddy.
Nice.
Am de buna küstün ama atın pokrasını koyun. Option. What? Çok aşılar. On sarmalı. Hadi tabii. Sten. Ահա, մամջան, դու քաշի վար։
Լինի տենց, կկա։
Ամ տենց կկա։
Լևոն պամիդորները սրա մեջ կդնես։
Ալո։ Արի ռապը։
Շատ չես թողում պամիդորը, մի քիչ էս։ So, we are back at the family's residence in the previous video for a barbecue. And hopefully this video doesn't come out too shaky. I don't have my gimbal. I wasn't as prepared as I should have been. So I'm gonna walk slowly. Such a nice place. Fruit trees. I guess you wouldn't go hungry here. Tomatoes. And as you can see, they don't use pesticides, any kind of weed killers. It's all natural, which is also the beauty of this place. And a lot of Armenians don't, from what I'm told. Oh, neighbors got birds. I don't know if you can see them. Let's see if we can zoom it in. Chickens. Ah. Trying to keep a steady hand. And they also have a lot of fruit trees. Let's go back up to the barbecue. Cool, I've come across a kitty. Hi, kitty. Now this one is a hairless cat. And they are very expensive here in Armenia from what I'm told. But the guy said it came from Canada. But these are definitely not Canadian cats. I'm told more Egypt. Which I think, if I read correctly, That's true. So again, let's get back up to the barbecue. These are all homemade. And this one is cherry. And it is really good. This one is a pear. This one, apricot. And this one, David.
I sent that video that you recorded of me making a commentary about the...
Oh, that was fantastic.
And everyone said, hey, geez, you're looking skinny.
Canada, Canada.
Yeah.
Yeah. What was you saying?
Everyone said, damn, you look skinny.
Oh, really?
And the girlfriend said, are you okay? Are you sick or something? I said, oh, well, I've lost 8 kilos. She said, you're going to look very ugly if you're skinny. And I go, like, well...
She likes the meat on her, man. I do too.
I don't, she reckons it just makes me look old and...
Okay. No, I like meat on my mans.
Really? You don't like too skinny? Like,
No, I don't want to rack a bone. Be like 2 chicklets. No, I like meat, absolutely. And men that are meat on the, like you hold heat in like in cold times.
oh,
So,
yeah.
so the cuddling is
Keep you warm.
yeah, absolutely.
There's plenty of heat there.
Yeah, it's still a
Don't
lot
worry
of
about
heat.
that.
Wait. No.
Yeah, don't mess with the pit master.
İçeri karşı papi. Öyle bağırsan kişi karşı verir. Leon. Let's make it the driver ready. I think no. Honey.
You need some
Yes.
stick.
Eser. Değil. Okay. No.
No, no.
Yanata
What's that expression, too many cooks?
Too many chiefs, not enough Indians.
Too many cooks spoil the broth. Especially a hyperactive ADHD.
No.
No good.
赵卫，放松。
这个你要穿这个是早穿啊。
Wait. You're better. Dead calm. Okay? Papa classic on us.
Yeah. Wait for the vodka. Actually, maybe. Hey, Shafai, kanan ni shoyo iga. Ni shoyo iga hijio hasho vodka.
夜穿嘛，他要穿嘛，那你就穿上去嘛，你不用管，你给他。
Oh yeah, now it's cooking.
什么打的还会改造？
So,
Perfect. That's a good heat. It's cooking.
No. It's a dead calm, okay? And eti شو تعلم؟
This food.
شوفي.
Just give him a beer. Give him beer.
Yes, okay. And kapnuma vren.
No problem.
Problem. Big problem.
Yeah. Don't mess with a man's barbecue. Local rules.
That's why I'm standing back.
I'm going to sit down. I'm getting dizzy watching these guys.
Let's get involved to make it more complex.
Yeah. Add some Canadian technology to the mix.
No.
No.
Yeah.
拿水试一下，你去拿水给他试一下。
That's good heat. That wood makes good coal. I need to clean it off.
其实你不用，你都摊开啊，不用那样就行。
这
那饭的调和，
我
也得还是饭调和。
啊。Zeti vren, zaten.
Lise. 得了啊，这东西啊，逮得了吗？
这么些人你没看？
No.
No problem, you leave
A
me.
problem, big problem, eh?
That's okay. Let him do it.
I don't know.
It's fine. It'll work out. It's got to cook. That's the purpose.
No.
你得那个别起来，这个东西就别了。啊。
Let's terminate dead cam, okay? And
No need.
no, this good. Armenian.
得两锅，
Esa kanan
底下不行。
他得这样穿，他要穿着干嘛？我们那
No. Arada şufi. Kapat şufi.
那一锅烧不了。
你这个多弄几下。
Ara. Alo. De şu da aran nerede spot var. Abi ben bat.
Hey!
Poor guy's panicking. He's,
Yeah.
no. This
I
is,
just let him go and do whatever.
this is the Armenian way. No, you can't do that. No good. Very bad.
哎，他要是有油的话，
给他满点油，码点油上。
他没有刷子。
他肯定有价的。
Big chef.
Good chef.
Big chef.
Just put it on. Let it cook. It will taste good.
Poza şu da alındı.
Hello.
What's you do?
Smells good. Smelling good.
Yeah.
Some good spices.
哦有。我要。
不用放油了。
I'm part of the program.
Ah, khiba satdı. Ah, zeyt. Aber die Schirme.
One phrase everyone's got is no good. Even Edmund's getting it.
It will be fine when
不
we
用弄
eat
油，
it,
他
I'm
说不要
sure.
弄油，不弄油就不弄油，不弄油不香啊。哎，
不弄油，油。
Well, this household's going to be crazy. The Xiaofei.
啊，这个
Շուֆի, ստեղ կա, Լևոն ասա, որ ստեղ կա, բայց այն մսի վրա չէ,
Դե ուրեմն հա, սրա վրա ուզում։
ասա,
Ես չեմ կարող ասեմ։
ասա հավի վրա արել եմ, բայց այդ խոզին չեմ արել։
Hey, hi again.
Hello.
弄再转，在那个边上弄干净，啊，给那边上弄干净。
Լևոն կհատրճան։
glass, Jordan.
Yeah, he needs a bigger,
Hi.
big toe. Come on, Chingzo. Hui bai.
我靠，我难受啊！
Ah, fang song.
看我，
给我看，给我看你的问题。
不给。
脱衣服。
我去医院那个医生说，多着呢，多着呢。
内裤有没有？好棒！不想想，上海话，你能听得懂？上海话，不是晓得了。
上海话，
上海话。
谢谢了。
Thank you.
Which woman? No. No.
Okay, Jay, I know.
Ինչ եք ուզում արա։ Հա,
喝酒，喝酒，喝酒。
ինչ է, papa։
我觉得每个星期我们安排一个 barbecue，
每个星期可以去我那里，
一个星期星期六比如说
去我那里，去我那个小的地方。
你不是要
OK，OK，
很大的，这个是不是个平方的？
这个大，这个是1000多。
但是我们用只有这个小的地方。
星期
中国到哪里还是？
九木里，就是这个九木里。他们要来看样品 sample， 还有证书，那个 certification， 有个证书。
什么 sample 什么事情？
wire。
Oh. And this wire is for what? For what?
road， 他们那个 highway
Oh, okay.
项目上面。今天我还跟他去谈谈那个
Papa, լգար։ Տարի եմ դուստե կայնի մի գնաս դուց։ Չամ yoshi. No, this արածա։
Okay.
来，你杯子。
这个是手做的。
没有，他买的，我刚才出去买的。
But 是 factory? Because this is
It's beluga. No.
No factory.
it's not this.
No.
It's made by hand. Yeah.
This.
Yes, I understand.
啊，谢谢。Small。
我帮你。
去给他们喝，这留我们喝。他们可能
David.
I think no many people drink this. I buy two. 我的个，这有我的个 beer. Beautiful girl, rich woman,
Happily ever after. Good food.
good food.
Long life.
Actually, good food, then rich woman.
Yeah, most important.
No, no try.
Moment, no. Drink.
Yes.
What then? Soca
Yes.
won't say soca.
Soda.
这个旁边那杯酒给你，少喝点儿，你控制一下，你别喝多了啊。
Is it good,
反正
Anton?
我是不管，
You're going to find out. I can try a little bit of this. It's more than 40 degrees.
More than 40 degrees. Cheers.
Cheers.
1 minute. 1 minute.
Oh my goodness. It's more than 40 degrees. Cheers.
Cheers.
Baba ekmek karşılıyor.
Pekash.
Yeah, it is strong. It's good.
Don't cure anything.
Cure?
That's good. Apple.
Only problem.
Yeah. Yeah. I agree. From apple.
Böyle geliyor ama karşılıyor.
From apple. Nice.
Baba lavaş.
Let's see how the chefs are doing.
Bak. Parçayı no. This. Nasıl böyle?
Looking good.
Tasha Schmidt, Shushenchen Shuchu.
它不是素食，但是它这个好肉。
你在中国吃没吃过烤肉？
很鸡翅，因为
那个肉串比较小。
是新疆的，
新疆的，你是新疆的，就是
羊肉，可以羊肉。My dama. Yeah, Chur Lianga, my Sambai Dama. Oh, you forgot
It's good.
Aha lava cheers.
Very apple. Percussion. Yavaş mı gidiyor?
Nice.
Give to your mama.
给妈妈。
Abi ne zaman o büyüdü?
Ben.
你过去了，过去。
Kaşı batı.
Çay başladı bu. Kıskıtılıyor besin.
So, Juyo Lianga Wangshan.
啊，今天晚上没叫。
必须搬家。我觉得。
你少用啊，这玩意儿挺，
我知道这自己倒的亮了不？
小心，这个很
不是
厉害。
自己晾的。
I got a funny feeling it could result in liver failure.
Oh, I'm not. That's what I'm having.
Yeah. The key is not to empty the glass.
The key is what?
The key is not to empty the glass.
This is true.
That was your fatal mistake the other night.
I did it like
Yeah.
a shot.
And then what
But
happened?
this is more strong.
France.
France? Me?
No?
No. Australia. Australiano.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. You know, kangaroo. Yeah. Yeah.
Wow, that looks nice.
That looks nice.
Ay, biz malzeme.
It's good, huh? I like the cheese here.
Okay. Moment.
Well, here we are again.
Right? It's actually the best experience we've had as far as communicating with the locals.
So good. Extra flavour.
Supposedly we come from the earth and then we go to the earth, so just
Yeah.
gonna eat a little bit of the earth.
Yep. No, it's very good. Look, we cook this.
Very good.
You should have.
He's just repeating words he doesn't know.
Get.
Et barbecue hetem, yes.
The same beer as last time in the plastic bottle. That was quite
The
nice.
table is getting full. Look at that.
No. No beer. No beer.
Okay. Okay.
No vodka beer. No. This good.
No beer.
Now no.
Baba mama.
After we eat, we get the beer.
Okay.
It's like dessert.
Juice. Small juice. No beer.
Okay.
Beer
Okay.
or sleep.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. Yeah, it's true.
Just. He likes Stalin.
After sitting down for hours, I'm over full.